Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Look at this raceway. And what you see attached to it with cable ties is LED rope lighting. And it runs all the way down the building. Just keeps going. Over here the cable ties are broken, so the rope light is just dangling off the side of the building now. That's probably not the correct way to install that rope lighting. I would certainly say securing rope lighting to a raceway is a violation of 300.11c. See how the cable ties are broken there. All the way down the building. Then as we get to the end, looks like some new cable ties got installed to support the end of that rope lighting, but still a violation.